to more Ratchet and Clank. A crack in time. I almost said quest for booty. What? Wait. What? Oh crap. Well, I forgot my tablet.
The galactic map has been updated with coordinates to the Villa sector.
Alright guys, excuse me real quick. What just happened? Alright, you guys can come back now. Alright. Oh man. Where's the... Oh, we have a new sector unlocked. We've only been to one planet. Oh, hello, mister. Wait a minute. Oh, hell no. Wait, is this him?
Well, if it isn't Polaris's favorite Lombax, now what is an upstanding citizen such as yourself doing way out here in no man's land? I don't believe it. Son, these here are schematics for the Rhino 5.
Of course.
I didn't even know they made a model after the 4th. Far too dangerous, you see. I'll tell you what.
They made lots of them.
Bring back the rest of these plans and I will build it for you. So long as I get to keep the plans, of course.
Why would you want the plans?
Matter of fact, I am having a bit of trouble conducting business in this here sector on account of all Nefarious' ships. If you'd be so kind as to eliminate a few of them, I'd happily pay you for your services.
Nope.
No problem, partner. You just let me know if you change your mind. I'll be seeing you.
Alright, see ya, bud. New sector unlocked. Alright, so apparently, home to the galactic map, blah blah blah, I already know. Let's warp there, but when we warp there, I know we'll have a Clank mission. That always happens, there's always a Clank mission, so I'm gonna turn it up and let you guys enjoy the video.
Hello? I'm sorry! I was only trying to help! Back up! Don't make me use force! Oh. You are the robot who assisted me in my escape from Nefarious. What is your name? My name? Yes, of course. Sigma 0426A. But you can call me Sigmund. I'm junior caretaker here at the Great Clock. Forgive me, but what is the Great Clock? Oh dear! We're late! Come! We don't have a lot of time! Figuratively speaking, of course.
Alright, any freaking year now. Okay.
Where is everyone?
Hola, Sigmund.
I'm not really sure. Nefarious and his troops just picked up and left after that butler guy tossed you into the hall.
Oh.
Not a very pleasant lot, are they?
No.
No, not very pleasant at all. May I ask what the purpose of this visit?
Sigmund, he's kind of like Clank's brother in a way, I guess. He reminds me of something like that. So I'm gonna just say he's Clank's brother. Oh man. I know, stupid hypersonic brain wave piece of freaking crap monkey chicken nugget. I don't know why I had to say all that. Boxes! Boxes! We'll need a lot of bolts because a lot of weapons are a lot of money. Wow, wow, wow! Wow, wow! Wow, wow,
Access
wow!
denied. Senior personnel only.
Oh, please.
Open your optical drive. This is senior personnel. I'm with XJ0461. While you're unconscious, I took the liberty of installing a quantum actuator into your circuitry. It allows you to create multiple cells. Multiple cells? How else would we get anything done around here? Just record your actions using the time pads, and initiate them while the present you moves on to do other things.
Right.
Time pads can be a little tricky. Let me show you.
I know how to work them. Alright.
Temporal recording initiated.
Now,
Right, that's it.
activate the other time pad and
Temporal recording initiated.
Easy. Give me all the bolts.
Quite an ingenious security
I
device.
love doing the things.
Are you kidding?
They're fun
Orbis was
puzzles,
the smart
and they
one.
give you a bunch of bolts.
Time pads will also let you record over your past selves. That way you can do everything they did and more. First, initiate recording.
Okay, I already know.
Temporal recording initiated. Temporal recording initiated.
Thank you, kind sir.
You're halfway there, sir. All you have to do now is re-record your first self, and
Yep.
the other will open the door
Temporal
for you.
recording initiated.
Brilliant, sir.
Thank you.
Orbis was right. You're gonna
Jump.
do just fine. Race into the mnemonic chamber.
What the hell?
Come on, I just fixed that. Here we are. So, are you ready to meet Orbis?
I am ready. Access granted. Welcome to Mnemonic Station Beta.
What? Oh, the Orbis chamber. Turn it up now.
Where is Orbis? He's in your head, of course. They're locked away on a secret partition in your memory banks. Dr. Nefarious spent over a year trying to hack in. I have to deactivate your neural safeguards and send you into your own subconscious.
Oh.
Hop in.
Hold up. Whoops.
Hello, XJ0461, and welcome to your subconscious. I am Orvis, and I've been anticipating your return for quite some time.
I do not understand. Have I been here before?
You didn't think your soul came from a robot factory, did you? I created you.
What the hell?
Oh, you must have a lot of questions. But first, I have a present for you.
A stick! I always wanted a stick. Thanks, Daddy.
No, we have lots to do if you're going to take over my work.
Are you really my father?
No, my dear boy, I am a program, a digital simulation of the real Orvis, installed the day you were born in Solana. But don't worry, I know all his old jokes. Lesson 1. I'm going to teach you how to manipulate time. That chronoceptor can be used to create time bombs.
No, help!
Using
Help!
them to get across
Help!
to the other side. Bravo,
Bravo, I'm dead.
Lesson 1. I'm going to teach you how to manipulate time. That chronoceptor can be used to create time bombs. Try using them to get across to the other side. Bravo, XJ0461, bravo! Each bomb contains enough quantum energy to slow down time for just a few moments. Quantum energy is quite unstable, so only one bomb may be thrown at a time.
No! No! Oh my gosh. This game, I freaking swear to gosh. Turn the volume down. Gotta use my new stick.
Quantum energy
Shut up.
is quite unstable, so only one bomb may be thrown at a time.
There we go. Made it all the way over here.
If you come across a broken
Whoosh.
Simply strike
That's
it
cool.
with your chrono
I wish I had one of those. Fix my PS3 every time it broke.
Go on, give it a try. Good.
Shut up.
XJ0461, you're doing quite well. Now, on to lesson 2.
What is lesson 2? Temporal manipulation via faster than light particle acceleration?
Actually, I'm going to teach you how to hit things with a big stick.
I don't know why I did that.
From time to time, various creatures find their way into the clock.
Great.
A good caretaker protects the equipment at all costs.
Great.
Yes, but
You're ready for a bit more.
I think I can just do this,
Try
right?
getting a little
Oh,
closer.
You guys ain't got crap on me. In slow-mo.
Just a few left.
Nope.
Well done. You certainly cleaned their clocks.
Ugh.
Did you see what I did there? Oh my.
Okay, we are going over here now. Oh.
You've done wonderfully, my son. I know you're going to take good care of this place.
where will you be? This is your facility.
Totes.
No, my dear boy, it's your facility. The great clock and everything in it, I now leave to you. Watch over it and protect it. Fulfill your destiny, XJ0461. Program terminated.
Oh, great. Oh, I can fly now.
Congratulations, sir. It's a pleasure to have you aboard.
Sigma, what happened to the real Corvus?
Oh, wait, I don't have one.
And a junior caretaker knows how to keep secrets. Yes, sir. Come on. We have an orientation room that will tell you everything you need to know about the great clock.
Alright.
Also,
Hopooya!
dude,
What? Cartoons? My favorite. Oh gosh, I know what's gonna happen here.
Terratropes!
Oh no.
Terratropes are nasty little creatures. They feed on quantum energy, so they can
No.
see your past selves. Clumsy hypersonic brainwave scrambler must have let them in. Nicely done, sir.
Why does he have to say the whole what
But
thing?
not exactly what you
Why
call
can't he
a-
just say brainwave scrambler or something like that? He says say frickin' hypersonic mother frickin' brainwave frickin' scrambler. I'm a frickin' frick. I don't know why I had to say frick a bunch of times to sound like CA
You may
Cox
have to find
97.
another way across. Your past selves can
Frick.
time warps too. Just remember, only one can exist at a time. It's for your own sake.
Temporal recording initiated.
Ugh.
Shoo! I said shoo! Be gone! Vamos! Disappear!
Woo! It's gonna be an interesting recording.
Temporal recording initiated.
Hey, threw one.
Terratropes!
Oh crap! He's actually gonna take him out.
Past selves!
Oh! Oh! Kill him! Woo! What's wrong with this flower? Nothing. It wasn't the flower. Glass. Go back. Ka-ching! Woo! That's awesome. Alright, let's go play as Ratchet. Oh,
You're getting pretty good at this, sir.
thank you, thank you.
I hate you, hypersonic brainwave scrambler, and I'm coming for you. Not now, mind you, but soon, after I take karate lessons, well, I'm just saying you're on my list, pal.
Temporal
Sigmund,
recording
I believe it
initiated.
is gone.
That's right, run away.
Alright, I think I got this one. Got this one down the bed.
Temporal recording initiated.
Thanks, bruh.
Whoa, even Orvis had trouble with that one once.
Really? That was like the freaking most simple thing ever. Is Orvis really that smart, or was he... I have a feeling Orvis isn't real. Is that true? Oh, it's not real. Going up on Tuesday. Let you
God, this one
cry.
looks like a doozy.
I know, it kind of does, actually.
Here's in Sector 3.
Negative. But I will cross my fingers for you.
Stupid, sarcastic, outdated
I
piece
heard that.
I heard that. Recording.
Oh gosh, where are we? Okay. Oh. Whoa. Aw. This is gonna be a weird looking recording. Alright, now I gotta redo this one.
Temporal recording initiated.
Yeah, recording entity
A
has
recorded
failed.
entity has failed.
Restart. I gotta really launch them up there, don't I?
Initiated.
Okay, I think I got it. Yep, I got it. Ooh, some of these puzzles can be real doozies. That one wasn't as bad, but
Unauthorized sonic
they get
device has
harder.
breached monitoring station Zulu.
Are you shooting me in the face right now? Whoop. Ooh, that was a little weird. I mean, I should calm down, you know, it's not even that bad. Alright, let's go. Arena battle.
Warning. Unauthorized sonic device on approach.
Watch out! It's the hypersonic brainwave scrambler!
Warning. Unauthorized sonic device in Sector 3.
Alright, Mr. Hypersonic Brainwave Scramble.
Your time
Scrabble.
has come, hypersonic brainwave scrambler.
Get in my slow-mo. Did you say get in my pants? You just gotta freaking, you just really gotta hit him with slow-mos.
Watch out, sir! Terror tropes!
You can't land!
Stupid brainwave scrambler! Do you know who you're messing with? That's XJ0461,
Whew.
senior caretaker of
Whew.
the Great Clock! Shut him on the back, sir! Hit him! Kick him! Use kung fu on him!
Oh my, that one always gets me.
Watch out, sir! He's using a sonic burst emitter!
Oh geez, don't kill me. Yeah, you're screwed, bro. Get out of here. They all died around me. See ya, hypersonic brainwave crap busket.
That was amazing, sir!
Thanks, bro. Going up.
You think you could show me how to fight like that one day?
Let's try this again! Night of the Living Squishies, Act 3, Scene 4. Ready on set?
I should never have quit dental school.
And action! You'll never take me alive, Quack. Time is under my control!
Oh, am I interrupting?
Lawrence! I'm rehearsing my epic romantic action comedy space opera!
Silly me, sir. I just thought it prudent to tell you Clank is en route to the Orvis chamber. Sir.
Splendid! The moment we've been waiting for is now. Now, if there's nothing else to discuss.
There is one small matter. I don't have the capacity for love, Janice. I was cursed by a tribe of gypsy ninjas when I was a kid.
I know, Lamb. I was in that tribal gypsy ninja.
They cannot be allowed to meddle in our plans. Track them down and annihilate them!
Very good, sir. In the meantime, might I suggest engaging the safety so as not to kill any more troops?
It's not even loaded, you moron! Look!
Poor dude died by his own thing, or by his own captain, or whatever. Ooh, this place is effed up. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Ratchet and Clank Future or Crackin' Time. Be sure to leave a like, favorite, and subscribe for more. Anyways, my name's Ethan GV and I'm out. Peace.